Okay, we're getting in some breaking news, and this is regarding the Jharkhand cash haul. The Prime Minister has now taken a veiled jibe at the Congress party. Prime Minister saying, and I quote, that those involved in such massive cash hauls are all linked to the first family. All right, so a directed attack there by the Prime Minister at the Congress party. And this is related to the 25 crore cash that was found in a house help in the raids that are linked to the Jharkhand minister, the Jharkhand Rural Development Minister, Alamgir Alam. In fact, you're seeing the visuals there of the raid that shows mountains of currency notes that were seen scattered across the room. The ED investigating agencies actually getting counting machines, and now one can know for sure that it's 25 crores unaccounted cash that was found from the residence of the domestic help of Sanjeev Lal. He's the personal secretary to the Jharkhand Rural Development Minister, Alamgir Alam. But let's listen to what the Prime Minister has to say on this massive cash haul.
झारखंड में ईडी ने नोटों के पहाड़ खोदकर निकाले हैं। कांग्रेस के मंत्री के निजी सचिव के नौकर के पास से ये नोटों का पहाड़ निकला है। सोचिए, कांग्रेस वालों ने अपने नौकर के घर को काली कमाई का गोदाम बना रखा था। ये पहला मौका नहीं है। इससे पहले भी कांग्रेस के एक सांसद के पास से नोटों का इससे भी बड़ा पहाड़ मिला था। इतने नोट है कि मशीनें भी गिनते गिनते थक जाती हैं। साथियों, आज मैं देश के सामने एक और संयोग की बात करूंगा। आखिर ऐसा क्यों है कि जिनके पास से भी नोटों के ये पहाड़ मिलते हैं, वो कांग्रेस की फर्स्ट फैमिली के करीबी होते हैं। ऐसा क्यों होता है? कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि जो पैसे पकड़े जा रहे हैं वो कहीं सप्लाई होने के लिए रखे थे? कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि कांग्रेस की फर्स्ट फैमिली ने देश भर में ऐसे ही काली कमाई के गोदाम बना रखे हैं?
Arunima joins us now for the very latest. Arunima, and it's, you've got to give it to the Prime Minister how he turns the entire attack to the BJP's advantage, and once again sharpening his attack at the Congress, saying that they were the ones who had been accusing him of stopping corruption and loot, and now he's training his guns at the Congress party, holding them responsible for this massive cash haul.
Not just Congress party, the first family of the Congress, which means the Gandhis. He's directly targeting Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, asking whether this money was meant for them. And why? Because Alamgir Alam is a Congress leader. He's one of the senior members in the assembly there in Jharkhand. Somebody who's been part of Jharkhand politics, Jharkhand Congress for decades now. And therefore, if money is recovered from the personal help of his personal secretary, questions are bound to be asked if he has anything to do with it. And it is all linked to the Rural Development Ministry, of which he is at the helm of affairs. And therefore, questions are bound to be asked about him, even though Enforcement Directorate has officially not named him in this particular case yet. But politically, the Bharatiya Janata Party has sharpened its knife, not just targeting Alamgir Alam, but the Gandhis as well.
Oh, absolutely. But tell us a little bit more about this huge amount of money, Arunima. We are seeing the visuals of that, those bundles of currency notes and wads of currency notes that are all lying there. And of course, now being counted, 25 crore rupees is what we hear. This cash that was found at the residence of a domestic helper. One can't even imagine that all of this money was there at the residence of a domestic helper. Obviously, there are big names involved in this.
So we are told that the amount has now gone upwards of 30 crores. ED has not yet given us an exact figure, but this is a number that we are hearing from officials present on ground, that more than 30 crores and the counting process is still on, is what we are told. So we don't know exactly what will be the final amount of unaccounted for cash. There could be some amount there that can be justified, but obviously 30 crores from the house help of a personal secretary, they will have a lot of explaining to do. What will be interesting to know is what other documents are seized. Nishikant Dubey has alleged that last the junior engineer's house was raided. There was a diary recovered which had details about transactions with bureaucrats and politicians. This time when the house help is being raided, when the personal secretary is being raided, what further leads can ED recover from these searches, and where will those leads take them to?
Absolutely. Arunima, thank you so much for joining us. Arunima, keeping a very close watch on all the developments related to that massive recovery of cash.